second day of my 30-day transformation journey. जिसम में थोड़ी खलियाँ हैं, but I'm trying to break that lactic acid as fast as I could. उसके लिए मैं ज़्यादा hard exercises कर रहा हूँ. अभी मैं हूँ gym में and I am doing chest and shoulder exercises. और जो exercises मैं कर रहा हूँ, I'm not going to explain because this is not what do you call a professional kind of gym video, but this is just for keeping you guys in touch with what I'm going through, what I'm doing, and keep you guys motivated. Let's enjoy the workout.
It go short days, long nights, we be gone till the morning. Yeah, they love it, all eyes on me when I put it on. Hallways, porch lights, gotta keep the evil off. Oh me, oh my, I just be like, who be gone? 10 roll spliffs in a VIP, we don't do lines, didn't need a glow, cause we always been the cool guys. Beach tent, cooler with the drinks and the blue skies. Ray-Bans, bucket low like F it though, it's all mine, it's all mine. Yeah, that thing is all mine. Lil' Betty and she nasty, yeah, that girl is all mine.
I'm tired. Enough for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the workout. A quick tip before I leave, I prefer using lighter weights with more repetitions because I believe it gives you more strength और आपका जो flexibility है वो compromise नहीं होती. Whereas when you use heavy weights, तो आपकी जो flexibility है वो compromise होती है और आप जो है ज़्यादा muscle mass gain करते हैं. See you tomorrow.